Unending lust. The city of Meram was known for its bright lights, busy streets, and secrets hidden behind closed doors. In a small apartment on the edge of the city lived a man named Ryan. He was successful, charming, and always wore a perfect smile. But behind his smile was a hunger, one that never seemed to end. Ryan had everything: a good job, money, and the attention of many. Yet, no matter how much he had, he always wanted more: more love, more attention, more excitement. He jumped from one relationship to another, never settling, always chasing something new. At first, people admired his confidence, but over time, they began to whisper behind his back. One night, he met a woman named Alina at a party. She was different, calm, mysterious, and kind. Unlike the others, she did not fall for his charm immediately. That made Ryan want her more even. He began calling her, sending her flowers, showing up at her favorite cave. Slowly, Alina gave in and they started spending time together. For a while, Ryan thought he had finally found peace. Alina made him feel complete. He stopped going out late, stopped chasing others, but it didn't last long. The feeling of satisfaction began to fade. The hunger turned stronger than before. One evening, while Elena was waiting for him at a quiet restaurant, Ryan was across town, flirting with someone new. When he arrived late, Elena's eyes were filled with sadness. She had seen the signs: missed calls, strange excuses, and distant stares. "I thought you were different this time," she said softly. Ryan could not answer. He wanted to speak, to explain himself, but the words never came. He had hurt her, just like all the others. Elena stood up and walked away, leaving him alone at the table. That night, Ryan walked through the empty streets, feeling a deep emptiness inside. He realized his desire for love and pleasure had turned into something darker, something that couldn't be satisfied. Years passed. Ryan grew older. He still had his charm, but now it came with a shadow. People still smiled at him, but they no longer trusted him. Deep down, he knew he had destroyed every real connection he ever had. The lust that once felt exciting had become a curse, an unending thirst that brought him nothing but loneliness. In the quiet of his apartment, surrounded by empty wine glasses and faded photos, Ryan finally understood love was never about chasing new flames. It was about holding on to the one that stayed. But now it was too late.